Sambar rice, pickle, laddu, appalam, எல்லாமே கொடுக்குறோம். How many people? 800, 900.
Boom, boom, boom,
Oh, they brought mats. Okay. Yeah. Where are your flowers? Show me your flowers.
Today is Sri Aurobindo's 150th birth anniversary. But it is also the 75th anniversary of India's independence, an event for which Sri Aurobindo fought almost all his life.
It has been customary to dwell on the division and difference between these two sections of the human family and even oppose them to each other. But for myself, I would rather be disposed to dwell on oneness and unity than on division and difference. East and West have the same human nature, a common human destiny, the same aspiration after a greater perfection, the same seeking after something higher than itself. There is a common hope, a common destiny, both spiritual and material, for which both are needed as co-workers. It is no longer towards division and difference that we should turn our minds, but on unity, union. Spirit embrace matter, and matter find its own true reality and the hidden reality in all things in the spirit.
Damaga daga madani mani dada maga mani dada mama maga dada ni daga madada dada mama dada ni daga madani dada ni daga madada daga madani mani mama daga madada daga ni daga Damaga daga madani dani dani madaga mani da దని ద మదని ద గని ద దని మ మద గ గ మ ద గ గ దని దని ద దని ద గ మ దని ద ని ని ద ద మ మ గ గ ద ద ని ని ద ఆ